Oh, I'm sure. Yeah, yeah.
So Randy, let's just have the instructions how to handle this. We have a search warrant for an iPad and how to pass it. Okay. Randy, you're going to be searched by hands off. Or you can go
Walk to my car. I'm going to get some.
Walk over here. You're going to be searched by an officer.
You're not going to put a hand on anybody here.
Probable cause to charge with camera.
No, you do not.
Just be cooperating. Do you have the iPad? Okay, where'd you put it?
We don't have to tell you anything.
To who? I'm not sure exactly.
They don't have to.
Hey, Bob, let's keep saying Randy.
Okay,
No,
Randy, put your cup down and turn around. Ma'am?
Let go of me. You let go of me. Let go of me. Do not resist. Let go of me. Let go of me.
Do not resist.
Oh no. Let go of me. Go. It hurts. Let go of me. Give me my
Do not kick. Do you understand?
Stop it. No, let go of me. Yes, you are, Caleb. Give me my key to my car. Give me my key to my car. Give me my key to my car. Give it to me. Give me my key.
Stay out of here.
Step outside for me, please.
Take my purse. Let go of me. You're hurting me. And I'm going to show all the bruises that you put on me.
If you're not going to cooperate, you'll
Let
be charged
go
with
of me.
obstructing.
Let go
Do you
of me.
understand that?
You let go of me now.
No, ma'am.
You're bruising me. Let go
Stop
of
pulling
me.
against us.
I'm not pulling against you. Let go
Okay,
of
then
me.
stand up like an adult.
Shut up. What an asshole thing to say to me. What an ass thing to say to me.
There's a law enforcement. They're always gonna win. That's your
Do me a
game.
favor. Do me a favor. Let go of me. You're hurting me.
I'm not hurting you.
You are hurting me.
Obstruction at the moment. Okay.
Here. Let go of me for a minute.
Ma'am, I don't care if you record, but can you just step back a little bit?
I want you to do something. I can talk in her ear.
No, you need to
Just-
step back, ma'am.
Let go.
Let's walk over and put her in the car.
Stop. You're hurting me.
Walk then.
You're hurting me. Damn it.
Okay, you're under arrest right now, okay?
You are hurting me.
Walk.
You're hurting me. Please.
Stand up and walk then.
You're hurting me. Let go of me. Let go of me.
Oh, ma'am, you're under arrest.
For what?
Obstruction.
I didn't obstruct anything. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You're hurting me. Get out of my pocket.
You are under arrest. You are being
You're
searched.
hurting me.
Stay back. Back up. Unless you want to be detained too, back up. I don't care if you record, just back up.
Stand up straight, ma'am.
I am standing straight. You're pushing me over with your hand.
I'm holding onto your jacket.
Cooperate, lady. Cooperate.
What are you talking about? Get out of my pants.
I am conducting a search. If you move, you will find additional charges.
Find additional charges? This is like arrest without cause.
You anything about that asshole that run down the street? Asshole. You asshole. What are you talking about? Get people that run down. I see you too. I see you. What else you doing? Cooperate.
Silver. are pretty. You know what? TSA isn't this rough.
No, I'm not TSA, ma'am.
Yeah, you're not. You are pretty big.
Okay. Ma'am, have a seat for me. Have a
Seat
seat.
in the car.
Do you have any idea what
Here, scoot over a little bit.
Do you really know what you're doing? You're assisting Merrick Garland to not show the truth of what
Okay,
the election
scoot over.
You really know.